Dear viewers, today we will discuss concept of minimum wages. Minimum wage is a legally mandated minimum amount of compensation that employers must pay to workers for the work they perform. The following are the key points regarding the concept of minimum wage in economics. Purpose. The primary purpose of a minimum wage is to ensure that workers receive a fair wage for the work they perform, which helps reduce poverty and income inequality. Second one is government involvement. Minimum wage laws are usually set and enforced by the government. In some countries, a central authority sets the minimum wage, while in others, it may be set by individual or provinces. Third one is impact on employment. The introduction of a minimum wage can impact employment levels. If the minimum wage is set too high, it may cause employers to reduce the number of workers they hire. While if it is set too low, it may not provide a sufficient standard of living for workers. Fourth number is economic theory. The concept of minimum wage is based on the economic theory of labor markets, which argues that the wage rate for a particular job is determined by the supply and demand for labor in that market. Fifth one is criticism. Some economists argue that minimum wage laws can lead to inflation as employers may pass on the increased labor costs to consumers in the form of higher prices. Others argue that minimum wage laws can hurt the very workers they are intended to help by reducing employment opportunities for low skilled workers. Sixth one is review and adjustment. Governments regularly review and adjust minimum wage rates to reflect changes in the economy and the cost of living. In some cases, the minimum wage is adjusted annually based on inflation or the consumer price index.